Let's start with the bulletin with the breaking news coming in at this point of time. Aryan Khan, Munmun Dhamecha and Arbaz Merchant to be produced in the court at around 7 p.m. tonight. NCB is likely to seek custody of Aryan and all three other accused. NCB wants to confront Aryan and others with arrested drug peddlers. Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan among three arrested. This is the latest breaking news we are getting at this point of time in Mumbai. Finally, Aryan Khan along with Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha have been arrested by Narcotics Control Bureau after interrogating them the whole day. The NCB has finally arrested them after long hours of interrogation, around 7 hours. They were at the NCB office and finally they were taken for medical checkup, and after that around 7 p.m. tonight they will be produced in the magistrate court in Mumbai. It's likely that the NCB is going to take their further custody to understand from where they had procured these particular drugs. But the charges against them clearly show. We are also getting details about the charges. They have been arrested under Section 8C, 20B, 27 and 35. They have been arrested under these sections. The lawyers are telling us that there was nothing in possession of Aryan Khan, but it's now let's wait and see what the NCB comes up with the remand application. I'm joined by my colleague Divyesh Singh from NCB office. Divyesh, three of them now have been brought back to the NCB office. It's likely that they will be produced in the magistrate court by 7 p.m. tonight. What about the others and what about Aryan Khan? What are the charges? What we are hearing is that they have been booked under Section 8C, 20B, 27 and 35 of NDPS Act. What does this mean? Were they found in possession of the narcotic substances or is it for something else?
Sahil, as of now, what we've learned is that the five other accused, the 5 other detainees are still being questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. NCB could initiate action further against some more detainees, while 3 persons, as you pointed out, have been arrested, which includes Aryan Khan, Munmun Dhamecha and Arbaz Merchant. So these people, though as alleged by the lawyers that they were not in the possession of any kind of drugs, it is suspected that they had consumed drugs, and that is why NCB has booked them. Remember, Narcotics Control Bureau also has a portable kit. Other than sending them for a medical test, NCB has a portable kit which is used by the Narcotics Control Bureau to test if a person has consumed narcotic drugs or not. It is suspected that they could have used this particular kit on the detainees and further to ascertain whether they had consumed drugs or not. Once it was ascertained that these people had indeed consumed drugs, they were placed under arrest. Further, the links of these persons, the arrested persons, is yet to be found out. Who was their supplier? Who was supplying them drugs? Remember, Narcotics Control Bureau as a charter has a complete charter of cutting down the supply chain of drugs, be it an international cartel or be it a cartel syndicate which is operating within the country. They have this charter of cutting off this complete supply chain. So they will further investigate links of these persons to any drug peddlers and the drug peddlers to major suppliers who've been running this supply chain of drugs. So this will take a lot of time. It will take, as of now, NCB has just arrested these people. They could be further remanded.
Well, Divyesh, I will give you the sections under which Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha have been arrested. The sections, please note down carefully. The sections are 8C, 20B, 27 and 35. These are the sections under which they have been arrested. What the lawyers are telling me is that this section doesn't imply that they were found in possession of narcotic substances. Does that change anything? And also, I would like to come back to you after some point to understand what it means for the organizers, because right now what was being said as a massive rave party turned out to be 8 detainees, and the organizers and the owners of the cruise ship have not been questioned yet. But that is something which is going to be very really interesting. But right now, let's take a look at this whole nexus. Even last year, there was, the NCB was searching for this Bollywood and the drug peddlers nexus, and they have already arrested 30 odd people in that particular case, including Riya Chakravarti, and the charge sheet has been filed in that case. Now that this new rave party has been busted and the new complaint has been registered. But what we are hearing is that Aryan's close friend Arbaz Merchant brought Aryan Khan to the cruise, and NCB has claimed to have recovered drugs from Arbaz's shoes, is what the NCB had claimed. But the sections which I just told Divyesh, that we are going to come back to Divyesh and ask him that what does these sections actually imply? What does it mean that whether these guys were in possession of the narcotic substances or they were consuming it? The NCB sources also tell India Today that 5 other detainees are still being grilled at this point of time, and based on their inputs, multiple raids are being conducted.
ये जो ऑपरेशन है ये क्रूज शिप पर था, तो ये अपने आप में एक पहला कदम था। इतिहास में ड्रग रेड्स एनसीबी के द्वारा कई बार किए गए, लेकिन हाई सीज में किसी क्रूज शिप पर पहली बार किया गया। ये एक अपने आप में अनोखा एक स्टेप था। दूसरा था कि इसके लिए इंटेलिजेंस कलेक्शन पिछले 10 से 15 दिन से लगातार किया जा रहा था, और इसको पुख्ता करने के लिए, इसको वेरीफाई करने के लिए, इसकी वेरीफाइबिलिटी को, ऑथेंटिसिटी को समझने के लिए और मेहनत की गई। और जब ये डबली श्योर हो गया कि हाँ, ये इनपुट्स सारे सही हैं, पुख्ता हैं, और उसके बाद ये भी इंश्योर किया गया कि इसमें रिस्क फैक्टर क्या है, थ्रेट असेसमेंट कर लिया गया। उसके इस सारे कैलकुलेशन के बाद जो है तय किया गया कि आज रेड किया जाए, और मुझे खुशी है कि रेड जो है सक्सेसफुल हुआ।
सर, बॉलीवुड के बड़े हस्ती के बेटे के नाम भी यहाँ पे आ रहा है, और इसके अलावा क्या वैसे जो रिकवरीज किए गए उसके बारे में बताइए।
रिकवरीज के प्रकार के बारे में मैंने ऑलरेडी पब्लिक डोमेन में डाला हुआ है। इसमें चरस बरामद हुआ है, एमडीएमए बरामद हुआ है, मेथाम्फेटामिन जिसको कहते हैं एमडी बरामद हुआ है, और एक्सटेसी भी बरामद हुआ है। तो ये सब सिंथेटिक ड्रग्स की कैटेगरी में आते हैं और पार्टी ड्रग्स माने जाते हैं। तो ये सब हुआ है, और आने वाले दिनों में जो कनेक्ट्स मिले हैं, जो मैसेजेस में जो और डिटेल्स मिल रहे हैं, हो सकता है और भी ड्रग्स बरामद किए जाएं। तो ये जब आने वाले दिनों में आगे की कार्रवाई होगी तब पता चलेगा।
We are going to go back to Divyesh to understand that what the sections which I just mentioned before cutting across this particular interview, what it means in NDPS Act, and what does it mean for Aryan Khan and the other 3 who have been arrested at this point of time. But what we are also hearing that the SRK, the Shah Rukh Khan, the Badshah Khan of Bollywood, was supposed to go for his shoot of the film Pathaan, but he has cancelled it after he got to know about Aryan's detention yesterday night, and after that he has been constant touch with the updates about what is happening there. We are also hearing that superstar Shah Rukh Khan is likely to postpone the shooting of his upcoming film Pathaan in Spain. He was supposed to go for the shoot in Spain, but which has been cancelled now. The sources have also told India Today that the actor is constantly in touch with NCB officials for round-the-clock updates that what is happening with his son, his 23-year-old son, who has now been arrested by NCB. Aryan Khan and his friend Arbaz Merchant and socialite Munmun Dhamecha have been now arrested by NCB, which we have just flashed a while back. There was a marathon grilling by the NCB officials of these 3 youngsters for almost 7 hours. All these people were brought to NCB office in Mumbai's Balakpur area at around 12:30 in the night yesterday, and after that they have been constantly grilled by NCB, and finally they were shown arrest around an hour back, and after that they have been taken for the medical, and at around 7 p.m. they will be taken to the magistrate court where the NCB officials are likely to ask for the custody. Divyesh has now joined with us. Divyesh, I was specifically asking you about the sections which has been put against the arrest of Aryan Khan and 2 others. what does it mean under NDPS Act, where they found in possession of the narcotic substances, whether these sections are for the consumption of the narcotic substances or for the peddling? What does it say?
Sahil, we'll come to the section 8C and 27 that have been applied against Aryan and others. So section 8C along with 27 goes for consumption. So these people have been booked for consumption. As we had earlier pointed out that Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha, all three have been booked under these sections. So they've been booked for consumption of a narcotic drug, for which the punishment is up to 1 year with a penalty of up to rupees 25,000. Other than that, there is section 20B that has been applied against them. So 20B again is a grave section, because 20B not only is for possession, but it is for purchasing, it is for selling, and also for manufacture of drugs. So it could be either for manufacturing, either for purchasing, either for selling or possession of a banned narcotic item, banned narcotic drug. So these two sections that have been applied. So there is one particular section that applies for possession, purchase, sale, while another two sections 8C and 27 are for consumption. So the sections that have been applied against Aryan are for either for purchase or for purchase and consumption, or if the drugs were found, as we earlier pointed out that drugs were found on Arbaz Merchant, so he has been booked for possession. But if Aryan Khan has consumed drugs, so it could be that he had purchased the drug and then consumed it. So that is why these sections 8C, 27 and 20B have been applied. For the section 20B, punishment can go up to 10 years, while for 27 and 8C, it can go up to 1 year or a penalty of rupees 25,000. Sahil?
Well, so it looks like that they have been booked for consumption of the narcotic substances as well as purchasing those. They were not found in a possession of the narcotic substances. Is that what we can say after reading the sections under which they have been arrested?
Sahil, the section 20B clearly specifies that it could be either purchase, it could be either sale, or it could either be manufacture and even possession of drugs. So as of now, it is not yet clear whether who was found in possession of drugs, but whoever was consuming the drugs, it could be, there are high chances that they would have purchased these drugs and then they consumed these drugs. So purchasing a narcotic drug itself is a crime other than consuming. So it could be that purchase and consumption could be the case over here, but we will need more clarity on this from the Narcotics Control Bureau on what is the actual cause that Aryan Khan, Munmun Dhamecha and Arbaz Merchant have been booked under these sections. Once they provide clarity on why they were booked under these sections, because this sections, the section 20B itself states that it could be for purchase, it could be for sale, or it could be for possession, or it could be for manufacture. So here manufacturing couldn't be the case. So it could either be purchase or it could be sale. Arbaz Merchant was trying to sell it, or Aryan Khan would have purchased it and then consumed it. But yes, consumption is for sure. The three have been booked for consumption, and that is why the section 27 along with 8C has been applied under the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act. So all three are suspected for surely to have consumed this drug. It could be cocaine or it could be hashish, but they have for sure consumed this drug, and only because of that they have been booked under these sections. Sahil?
Well, this is very important information what Divyesh was sharing. The 8 people were detained, out of which 3 till now have been arrested. I'm just telling our viewers at this point of time what we know for sure. And the sections which has been applied against the people who have been arrested at this point of time, including Aryan Khan, are the sections for the possession and purchasing the drugs, consumption and purchasing of the drugs. And that's why they will be produced at 7 PM tonight in the Magistrate Court in Mumbai. But before that, let's try and understand, let's go to Paulami in Delhi studio and try and understand how this rave party was busted by NCB, how they had the information 15 days prior to 2nd October that such kind of party is likely to happen on this particular cruise ship. Let's take a look at that.
The inside details that India Today has accessed as far as this investigation is concerned. The first thing, the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau, received a tip-off about the possible drugs party on a ship. It received a tip-off. The NCB team then disguised itself as passengers who then boarded that ship, which of course is now being investigated, and the owner will be called in as well. The rave party in fact began as soon as the ship left the Mumbai coast. That is what the NCB is telling us. The NCB team in fact swung into action as the ship reached mid-sea of the Mumbai coast. The NCB then conducted raids for 7 long hours on that cruiser ship. The Bollywood superstar's son has been detained among others. He's currently only being questioned, as my colleague Devesh was saying. 4 types of drugs have been seized from that party, which was busted by the NCB. So currently that investigation is on.
So this is how the NCB was working on the information. The Delhi and Mumbai teams were kept on alert. They had information that on this cruise ship, where it will sail, there will be conducted, there will be a rave party there. There will be drugs on board the ship. The question which is being raised that, how could they board the ship with the banned substances like narcotics? Because you have seen that there is a rigorous security arrangements before you board the ship, whether it is a cruise ship or an aircraft. So, how could they carry these substances on board when the NCB officials were already present and they found it when they searched the ship? After that, they found that some of them were carrying the narcotic substances. Now, what has happened is that the Cordelia, the company which runs this particular cruise liner, have washed off their hands, and they have said that they are coordinating with NCB officials. They are helping them out with everything. Yesterday, the statement which they came up with, which clearly says that they have nothing to do with it. The people who had the drugs, who were found with the drugs, have been offloaded from the ship and deboarded from the ship, and NCB has taken them away.
One of India's largest premium luxury cruise ships, Cordelia's Empress. The ship takes guests on board to some of the most popular Indian and international tourist destinations. Equipped with food pavilions, 4 specialty restaurants, bars, gyms, casinos, theatres, several swimming pools, nightclubs and lounges. On Saturday night, under the pale moonlight, the Empress was cutting the high waves and moving towards country's party capital, Goa. The plan was to drown the woes away in the tranquil waters of the Arabian Sea from Mumbai on 2nd October and hit back the shores on 4th. But it was not a trip as usual, as choppy water was awaiting those on board. Despite a clear official guideline by the organizers on no drugs use, as soon as the ship left Mumbai coast and reached mid-sea, NCB officers say they found drugs being used at the rave party.
इतिहास में ड्रग रेड्स एनसीबी के द्वारा कई बार किए गए, लेकिन हाई सीज में किसी क्रूज शिप पर पहली बार किया गया. इस सारे कैलकुलेशन के बाद जो है तय किया गया कि आज रेड किया जाए, और मुझे खुशी है कि रेड जो है सक्सेसफुल हुआ.
After NCB raid, President and CEO of Cordelia Cruises, Jürgen Bailom, washed his hands off the drug bust. He said the drugs was found in some of the passengers' luggage and the offenders were offloaded by the Cordelia immediately. Several passengers complained about the incident, accusing Cordelia of cheating them.
Of course cheating है, उन्होंने मिसऑर्गेनाइज करा था, पैथेटिक सर्विस है, हमसे पैसे लिए हुए हैं.
ड्रग्स पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की थी, रेव पार्टी अंदर चल रही थी.
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ स्पेशली ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करा था. कौन ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज करके बुलाता है? ऑब्वियसली
चीटिंग हुआ आपके साथ, क्योंकि
ऑब्वियसली चीटिंग हुआ है. हमारे पैसे लिए और हमें एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं दिया. हम इतने दूर से आए हैं.
I heard this was so much police, but drugs was found inside somewhere in the cruise. Yeah, outside I didn't see.
Did some passengers misuse the musical voyage to indulge in using drugs? Now it is up to NCB to reach the bottom of the mid-sea drug bust case.
The ship on which this particular cruise was happening is known as Empress. It's a 692 feet long and weighs more than 48,500 tons. Earlier, it sailed across the Caribbean and now it has been brought to India under the flagship of Cordelia Cruises. Part of this rave party that was planned on board this vessel, on board the cruise, had carried drugs with them. NCB had a specific tip-off, and following that, they conducted the search operation and seized the drugs. Many of those suspects have been detained and many could be arrested further. With camera person Swaraj, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Well, we already know that Aryan Khan has been arrested for consumption of the drugs. There was nothing in possession of with Aryan Khan. We and Divyesh were just discussing a while back that what section has been applied against him. Now, we are getting some more breaking news with respect to that Aryan Khan has been charged with the drug consumption. The charges against Aryan Khan are under section 80C, 20B, 27 and 35 of NDPS Act. What we have also got to know that Aryan has denied purchasing the drugs, but the sections applied against Aryan Khan clearly shows that the section has been put for purchasing the drug as well. His all electronic gadgets, including mobile phones, have also been taken by NCP officials. There will be dump taken from these mobile phones to understand if there was any chat room and who was involved with the procurement and consumption and also selling the drugs. So that's why these mobile gadgets are very important. All are being asked to write their statements. There will be written statements and signed statements by all these accused. And after a while, at around 7 p.m., these accused will be produced in the magistrate court in Mumbai, which is also called Kila Court in Mumbai. We will be tracking this story very closely because it's not only about the 8 people detained, but it's also Bollywood's biggest star, Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan, has been arrested by the NCB in Mumbai today, and he will be produced at around 7 p.m. in the magistrate court. We are going to slip into a small break, but for news and updates, you can log in to indiatoday.in. You can also download the app.